Hello, my name is Shaida and I'm currently living in Massachusetts, and I have an urgent appealing to the people of the free world, and here is my testimony about my family members who has been illegally detained by the Chinese government. This is my father, ئېلىجان. He's a businessman, and he was unfortunately he was illegally arrested and sent to the Chinese concentration camp on May 2017. Until now, I haven't heard his voice again or haven't seen any pictures of him. And this is my grand uncle, Abidin Ayup. He's 92 years old. He despite his age and his health condition, he was also sent to the Chinese concentration camp, and until now we don't have any information about him. This is my uncle Sádир ئەلى. He was illegally arrested in 2018 and later sent to the Chinese prison, and he's sentenced to 20 years of prison. Until now, I don't have any information about him or his health condition. This is my relative Aygül. She has studied at her university and master's degree in Turkey. Right after she came back home, she was arrested and sentenced to 20 years of prison.